Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of My Car Shop. So thinking about starting a series called Just Around the Shop for all the stuff I've got going on right now. Just got a package from Eastwood today. The bead roller's here. The sheet metal brake was supposed to be here, but unfortunately we had some delays in shipping and tentatively we're saying Monday, but that's okay. So I thought it'd be fun to just get this package opened up and see what the thing looks like, maybe put it in the vise and play with it a little bit today, but let you see what this bead roller looks like and how it functions. So welcome to this edition of My Car Shop. Okay, so we've got it basically put together here. My intention is there's a couple of bolt holes in the middle of it here, and I plan to make a stand for it and make it freestanding at some point. I'll probably put it on a piece of square tube with maybe a truck wheel or something heavy on the bottom, maybe some legs, I'm not sure. Pretty hard to operate this one person. You got to have one person cranking the handle and one person feeding over here, but this is good. I'm excited about it. I got to put some, there's a couple cotter pins missing in here I got to put in, get it lubed up, stuff like that. But I think it's going to do a good job for me. So there's all kinds of other dies in here that go with it. I'll show you what some of those look like here. I'm going to get them opened up first. When I make the rack, I'll probably put pins on the rack down the leg and be able to put these on there then. I think there's oh, those aren't the tipping dies. I can't remember the name of those dies right now. They're forming die anyway. And then there's 3 bead rolls here. I think it's 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch or something like that. So we'll show you what those look like here in a minute. I don't plan on rolling anything today. Just wanted to get things out and take a look at it. And I'll tell you a little bit of what's going on here also, other plans. Yeah, it's 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch. So in each one of these, there is the male die and the female die, and of course they go together. Your metal runs between there and then it rolls the bead into the metal. So that's cool, that's exciting. So there's some assembly there that needs to happen on this, but I'm happy with it. So I'll get a stand made for it eventually. So what else is going on? I mentioned there's a sheet metal brake. My buddy Chris is also gathering materials for a pipe anvil, so we'll be having one of those. It'll probably be against the wall over there. These engines that are in here, the 440 and the 318, are going to be going in the storage area in the back. So let's do a little walk around and I'll show you what the next plans are for My Car Shop. Not totally sure yet where, but probably, I'm not happy with the toolbox where it is, so I'm probably going to be relocating that somewhere else. I may put it over here between the 2 upright beams. That's kind of wasted space, although there's a bunch of other crap in there right now. But I have I want to get a band saw as well. So that's going to need to find a hole, and then not going to happen anytime soon, I don't think. But I want to get an English wheel as well. And that's also going to have its own stand to stand on. So that'll probably go over here where the sheet metal brake and the pipe anvil are going to be. The other thing, I'm going to take you over to the other side here. So if you notice that set of shelves right there and then the Mopar banner right next to the Dodge truck parking only, that's actually the wall that goes into the back storage area there. And then the end of the workbench, of course. So what I want to do is, there used to be an opening there. I want to open that back up and put a door in there to give me access to that back area so that I can get at things that are in the back. My cherry picker will go back there. The big cherry picker won't fit through the door. That big cherry picker is over 40 inches wide. And I don't have enough room to be able to do that. But I can put a 30-inch door in there. And my other cherry picker, the little one, will roll in and out of there fine. So if I need the big cherry picker for something, I can put it in the truck and bring it around, or I can disassemble it and bring it through. But the little one, for little things that I need to move around sometimes, it'd be real easy just to wheel that through. So I'm still thinking about the welding equipment. I've got the wire welder, the torch, the plasma cutter, the sandblaster. I'm thinking that stuff may move out of there as well. And then my son Joe and I were talking about all the charger parts that are here. We've got a storage area upstairs, and we may tear that set of shelves down just to give a little more room in here as well when he's home this summer. So those are some of the things that are happening here. Okay, so it's just a shop update. Let you know what's going on here, but I'm pretty excited. As you can tell, things are still pretty messy from painting. I have not had much time. Things with work have been pretty crazy lately, and just getting things ramped back up after the quarantine and stay-at-home stuff. Matt and I have been talking about when he's going to be able to come out and do the fenders, so that's going to be great. Just had a lot of meetings and other things going on. But anyway, so my plan next, now that we've done the running boards, is to get the grill down for the 47 and start getting that finished work done. And as soon as I'm able to get the stand built for the bead roller, I can use it in the vise in the meantime, but I need more portability and get things cleaned out here, get that door put in. So there's a lot going to be happening in the shop. So my intention is that I'll probably be starting a series on the shop itself. It's literally a barn, so I suppose we could call it Barn Find, something like that. I don't know. But if you have suggestions for what to call the shop segment where we're improving the shop, let me know. If you have any questions or comments, put them down there below and I will answer them. If you have any ideas, things you'd like to see, let me know. And in the meantime, thanks for joining us for this very special episode of My Car Shop. Just a little update, just a little something to let you know that things are happening, even though you may not be seeing something happening on the cars. So, all right, make it a great weekend for yourself and rock on.